Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video that I made for you with so much love today, I am cleaning my room, and I know I have videos in the past, but this one your girl is trying to get a little more organized. So if you're in need of some motivation and you need to declutter your room and just organize and get things tidy up, then this is the video for you so you can get some motivation. So stay tuned. I make videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so join me. New here, please go ahead and click on that subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell right there. Yep, that when you're seeing, that way you get notified every time I post a new video.
Yes, that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever?
So funny thing is that I have this makeup vanity in here, but in reality I barely do my makeup, and I think it's not because I hate makeup. I think it's just because I don't feel like it comes out pretty like other girls. But you know, probably one day I'll get rid of it, or maybe someday I'll learn.
Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine.
So I just wanted to share with you, because yeah, I know I love you like that, and just letting you know I bought myself this fanny pack from Victoria's Secret. I can't wait to put it on and give it a try. I also purchased this body scrub and this body spray. So this is the Petal Scrub. It's a matching set for this Paradise Bombshell. It smells bomb. And I also bought myself this lipstick.
Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes, then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong.
So I'm just using this Dollar Tree bin, and I'm gonna go ahead and place all my body sprays and perfume so that way I can store it away, because I was tired of seeing too much clutter in my dresser.
You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, hey, yeah.
When I think about the way we used to be,
So this is where I place the bins in the drawer. I think it looks much better away from the dresser. I just have a little bit of clothes in here, which is clothes that I barely use. So that worked out for me.
when I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me.
Sometimes if we look around the house, we already have stuff to decorate. So I decided to put this pink flower pot in my dresser, and I think it looks amazing. What do you guys think?
When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. And so it goes, tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way you used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am
So in this container, I keep my bed sheets. If you haven't watched my linen closet organization, please go ahead and check it out. That's where I explain how I organize my sheets and also my kids' sheets. Purchased these vacuum storage bags. It comes in a set of 3. I got mine from Aldi. I know other stores carry them as well. I'm gonna go ahead and place my comforter in here. That way I can save space. I am gonna do the same thing with my kids' room, which I'm gonna put their comforters in a bag like this, because I like for us to have 2 comforters each, one in the bed and one extra in case. And just to keep it fresh, I'm gonna throw a couple of these dryer snuggle sheets.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me.
This room is so small that I had to come with ideas on how to organize my husband's sneakers and hats, because this man is a Jordan fan. So basically what I did is that I purchased this IKEA bookshelf. I believe I purchased it for 20 bucks, which is not bad. So I keep everything in here, like his hats and his sneakers. Now the older sneakers, or the sneakers or shoes that he barely uses, or they're not in the best of condition, then I keep them underneath the bed, because this is on IKEA bed and I had purchased drawers from the bottom, so then that keeps the mess hiding, or at least some of his shoes put away.
I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feeling.
Alright, so this is the satisfying look of a clean room. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube channel. And for those of you who are still here with me, my subscribers, thank you so much for watching.
I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break